What's up, guys? I want to talk about the Linguistics Gem. It's really cool, and I'm just going to show a few examples of the methods that it provides. So you just install it like any other normal gem, sudo gem install linguistics. I'm just going to go ahead and require it here. So first we'll require Ruby gems, then linguistics. And the first thing you have to do before you use it is specify what language. So we'll just say we're using the English language. Alright, so one of the methods is called a or an. I believe either one will work. And what it does is it'll return the phrase that you give it, or the noun, with the appropriate indefinite article, which is a or an. So for example, if we do frog.ena, and one thing to note is you always have to call the method en before you call one of the other methods, just to specify that it's in the English language. So if we call this on frog, I'll run it and see what we get. We get a frog, so it's the correct indefinite article. If we put eagle, we'll get an eagle. Okay, moving on. Let's get the present participle of a verb. So let's say our verb is jump. We'll call present participle, and we get jumping. Okay. Now let's take an integer like 8, and if we want to get the ordinal word of 8, which should be eighth, we'll just call ordinal on it, and we get eighth. Let's try a different integer like 3, should get third. Alright, moving on. Let's try a really big number like 15,329. And let's call numWords on it. This should give us our number that we have here as English words. So you see we have 15,329. If you don't want the and, you can pass an option called and give it, what you do is you give it the word that you want to replace with and. So if you don't want it at all, you have to give it a blank string. Passing false or nil doesn't work. I've already tried it. So if we just give it a blank string, it's actually more correct this way, 15,329. Alright, moving on. Say we have a, oops, I don't know what happened there. Alright, so say we have an array of items. Let's say these are some items on my desk. Pen, pencil, and pad. And I want to say I have these items. Let's say I want to return them as a conjunction. I have these items on my desk. So if we run this, I have a pen, a pencil, and a pad on my desk. So that was correct. You can also say we have two pads. Oops. Say I have a pad, a pen, a pencil, and another pad. If we run this, it'll say I have two pads, a pen, and a pencil on my desk. So it combines items automatically for you. If you don't want it to do that, you can call combine false, and it will just put them in the order that you have them. So a pad, a pen, a pencil, and a pad on my desk. So there we go. That's just a quick overview of it. If you're interested in it, you can go to rubygems.org, search for it, go to the homepage, check it out. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.